Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at batch invoicing within Priority. For the purposes of this video, we have prepared project hours to invoice and also a few customer shipments to invoice. To do the invoicing, we'll go to Financials, Accounts Receivable, Customer Invoices, Multi Shipment Invoices, and Prepare Invoices. We'll click Continue, do All Documents, select our date range to invoice, prepare the invoices, and we can see there's 3 invoices being raised for the customer shipments. To then invoice project hours, we'll go to the same path and do selected projects, click OK, search for our projects we want to invoice, go back to our procedure, select our date range, click OK. We can then go back into our multi-shipment invoices and search for all our temporary invoices. We can then see it's done all of our project hours and the customer shipments that are needed to be invoiced. Thank you.